In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of being unable to add a card to Apple Wallet on your iPhone. If you're encountering this problem, don't worry, as I'll guide you through the steps to resolve it. First things first, it's important to ensure that your device is compatible. Apple Wallet and Apple Pay are designed to work on an iPhone 6 or later that's running iOS 8.1 or a newer version. If you're using an iPad, keep in mind that while you can't add cards directly for use in stores, you can still use Apple Pay for in-app purchases and online transactions, so make sure that your device meets these basic requirements. Next, check your region or country. This might seem like a small detail, but Apple Pay and Apple Wallet are not available everywhere. It's crucial to confirm that your country or region supports Apple Pay by checking the official list on Apple's website. This ensures that you're not trying to do something that isn't supported officially in your location. Another step to look into is verifying if your specific card is supported. Not all cards work with Apple Wallet, even if they're from major banks or financial institutions. It's a good idea to double check with your card provider to ensure compatibility with Apple Pay. This will prevent any unnecessary frustration if the card itself is the issue. Updating iOS to the latest version is a straightforward but often overlooked remedy. Head over to Settings, tap on General and then on Software Update. If an update is available, go ahead and tap on Download and Install. Outdated software can sometimes cause unexpected problems, so having the latest update can resolve compatibility issues and introduce new features. You'll also want to make sure you have a valid payment method set up in your Apple ID settings. Navigate to Settings, tap on your name at the top, and then select Payment and Shipping. Verify that your payment method is accurate and up to date, as inaccuracies here could hinder your ability to add new cards. If you find yourself still struggling, the next logical step is to contact your bank or card issuer directly. There could be restrictions or specific issues with your account that are preventing your card from being added to Apple Wallet. They'll be able to provide more personalized insight into the issue. And finally, if all else fails, don't hesitate to reach out to Apple support. They have the expertise to help you resolve any persistent technical problems related to adding cards to your Apple Wallet. Sometimes the issue might be beyond what you can solve on your own, and Apple support will be the right place to turn for further assistance. By following these steps thoroughly, you should be well on your way to resolving the issue of being unable to add a card to Apple Wallet, making your payments more convenient and streamlined. Happy tapping!